Good morning everyone, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday, February 1st. Literally insane. I can't believe it's already February. Time is just flying freaking by. It's honestly why it's so important to be working towards your goals, because time is just going to pass away anyway. So why not be making some progress in that time? So I'm just gonna be vlogging my day. I'm trying to be super productive today because it's honestly like a double reset button today since it's Monday and it's the first day of the month. Pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and I'm wishing all of us a very successful month. Breakfast. It's so delicious. It's kind of like a dessert in a cup, like a healthy dessert. So it's just one banana, unsweetened cocoa powder, some peanut butter, ice, and some collagen powder, because collagen powder is really good for anti-aging. So I wanted to make sure I added that to my smoothie. While I drink my smoothie, I'm just gonna get some work done on my computer. Then I'll probably head to the gym so that I can get there at like a non-busy time, hopefully. Hopefully. I haven't been to the gym in a little bit, so I'm kind of having like that, you know, little bit of fear that you get when you don't go for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's kind of annoying, but I'm just gonna like conquer my fear and go. I know it's never as bad as I think it is, and I know I can do it. So yeah, I'm just overthinking. To go to the gym right now, but I think it's gonna be super busy. If you guys want a little trick as to when to know like when a good time is to go to your apartment gym, if that's what you use, I actually look up like a gym that's near me, like a public one, and I see what their busy times are, and then I just go off of that. And most times when I do, it's usually true for my gym too. So instead, I think I'm just gonna get all of my cleaning done that I wanted. I just need to like vacuum the floor, because I feel like just having the floor vacuumed makes such a difference, and mine is disgusting right now. Like, I haven't vacuumed like all weekend, and it's just accumulating so much hair and just crumbs and everything. And then I also want to wash my makeup brushes, because I've been putting it off and I feel like it's causing me to break out. Like, there's probably so much bacteria in my brushes, which is just disgusting as well. So we're gonna take care of all of that, and then I actually need to go to walk a dog for my rover setting job, and yeah, then I'll probably come back and go to the gym. Cue the cleaning montage.
Baby, one, loving two, and now it's 3 a.m. Thinking, what if it's you and me? At the end, that maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. Look at you, eyes as soft as that ocean blue. Falling in, learn to swim like I never knew. I see it now, that everything will be okay.
Friendly reminder to wash your makeup brushes if you haven't. Okay, I'm making a quick lunch before I head out, so I think I'm just gonna make a chicken Caesar salad because it sounds really good, and I just picked up all the ingredients the other day. Also, a little update, my stomach has been feeling so much better, so I'm finally back to my normal diet again, which I'm really happy about. Okay, so very simple salad. We just have some lettuce, some chicken strips. This is chicken that Ari gets from Costco, and it's actually really good. It's all natural, pre-cooked like all the way. So it's really nice just for throwing on top of salads. Some Parmesan cheese, Caesar dressing, and I just found these the other day at Trader Joe's and they're actually really good. They were a lot healthier than normal croutons, so I decided to try them out, and they're actually made out of plantains, which is awesome. They have so much less sodium than normal croutons. By the way, I lost a nail while I was cleaning, so that kind of sucks, but yeah. And then they had way less calories and they're actually really delicious, so just a really nice healthy option for croutons. Turned out super good. It looks so yummy. I'm also gonna have one of these protein bars that are insanely good. They're chocolate peanut butter. They're Robert Irvine's Fit Crunch protein bar. They have 190 calories, 16 grams of protein, 3 grams of sugar. They're gluten-free and they're freaking delicious. So I just laid out my workout outfit for when I get back. I'm gonna be cutting it close to 2 o'clock, so I just wanna change really quick and then head to the gym.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down.
Come on. Come on, Luna. Good girl.
I don't think I'll feel it
Good girl.
when I hit the ground.
Okay. Come on, Luna.
In October, it feels like summertime. I keep
I don't know how I got this lucky, but there is nobody in the gym right now.
black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. You're the only sunset that I'll never forget. Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet. In October, it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
So I was only gonna wash my body, but then I accidentally got my hair wet. So then I was like, screw it. And then I ended up shaving and washing my hair. So I'm just gonna spray some. It's a 10 on the ends of my hair. This is a leave-in conditioner, and it's literally the best one. I've been using it for years. And not to mention, it smells literally amazing. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with a little argan oil. Just spray this in my ends as well. This is by the brand OGX, and I really like this one because it's a spray bottle. So it just makes your life a lot easier. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with this Frizz Ease Cream by John Frieda. I've been really liking this one. I've been using it for a little bit now. It's just like a smoothing cream. It helps with like frizzy hair. Just put a small amount in my hand, and then I rub it between my hands and kind of just spread it out through my hair. I'm feeling so clean and good right now. I love it. So I'm gonna go have a protein bar because I do try to get in some protein like right after my workout just to help repair my muscles. I want to show you guys the protein bars that I've been having lately that are so good. I did show them once before, but I thought I would show you guys all the flavors today. This is the brand Kirkland Signature. Apparently it's a really good brand because my boyfriend actually bought some bagels by the same brand and they're so freaking good. But yeah, I'm kind of loving this brand right now. But yeah, so each box comes with 2 different flavors. So this box has chocolate peanut butter chunk and cookies and cream. And then this one has chocolate brownie and chocolate chip cookie dough. These two are probably my favorite, honestly. I love the chocolate brownie one for like a dessert. The chocolate chip cookie dough is super good. And then after that, I probably would pick cookies and cream. And then lastly, chocolate peanut butter chunk. But honestly, they're all delicious. And I just love that they have 2 grams of sugar and 21 grams of protein because that is just amazing for protein bars. Sometimes protein bars tend to be like packed with sugar, which makes them super unhealthy. So this is pretty amazing. So the weather is pretty nice today, so I thought I would take my protein bar and my book out on my balcony and do some reading. So as you guys may or may not know, my boyfriend and I's anniversary is on Wednesday, the day that this video is gonna go up. So I decided to make this cute little edit of like cute little memories that I filmed. I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek, but I'm gonna be posting the full thing on my Instagram feed on Wednesday. So definitely make sure you're following me on Instagram if you're not already. It's not that long, so I'm only gonna show you a few seconds. Loving is easy. You have me fucked up. So there's a little sneak peek. I love it. It's so cute. Ari and I are making dinner together tonight, changing things up. So Ari had the great idea of making some like bagel breakfast sandwiches with like eggs and bacon on it. Sounds really good. You know, some breakfast for dinner action. But to even that out, we're gonna make a little side salad on the side and it's gonna be delicious.
Some cinematic bacon.
So we just got done cooking. I tried to film as much as I could, but we were cooking pretty quickly. So for the side salad, I just did spinach, chicken, tomato, some Parmesan cheese, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Super simple. And for this beautiful egg sandwich, we did spinach, egg, bacon, red onion. And then for our sauce, I just mixed together some mayo and hot sauce. It looks freaking delicious. I'm so excited. Wow. Now love's going on late night walks in the hallway. Hey. Hey.
Oh, come here. Okay. Now sit. Now sit. Sit.
Good girl.